Hello students. Today we will learn interference in thin film due to reflected light. Let us consider a thin film of refractive index mu and uniform thickness T. When a light beam traveling in a rarer medium is incident on a surface, then that surface is called a rarer surface. When a light beam is traveling in a denser medium is incident on a surface, then that surface is called a denser surface. Let us consider a monochromatic beam of wavelength lambda is incident on the rarer surface at angle of incidence I. A part of the incident beam is reflected back into the denser medium as beam AD. The other part of the incident beam is refracted into the denser medium as beam AB. The beam BC on reflection from the denser surface emerges out into the rarer medium. Since the film is excessively thin, the two beams AD and CE are coherent beams. The two coherent beams superimposes to produce interference pattern on the thin film. When the refracted beam travel a distance AB plus BC in film, then the reflected beam travel a distance AN in the rarer medium. Hence the optical path difference between coherent beams CE and AD is given by delta equal to optical path AB plus BC in film minus optical path AN in air. This can be written as delta equal to mu AB plus BC minus AN, because for air the refractive index is 1. The path difference between coherent beams AD and CE is worked out to be delta equal to 2 mu t cos r, where r is the angle of refraction. Since the beam BC is reflected from the denser surface, hence it will introduce a path change of lambda by 2 in beam CE. On the other hand, the beam AD reflected from the rarer surface, hence it will not suffer any path change according to Stokes theorem. Therefore, the path difference between the coherent beams AD and CE changes to delta equal to 2 mu t cos r plus lambda by 2. To satisfy the condition of constructive interference or maxima, the path difference should be delta equal to 2 mu t cos r plus lambda by 2. This must be equal to 2n lambda by 2. So it can be written as 2 mu t cos r equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2 for n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. On other hand, to satisfy the condition of destructive interference or minima, the path difference between two coherent beams 2 mu t cos r plus lambda by 2 must be equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, which can be written as 2 mu t cos r equal to 2n lambda by 2 for n equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. From this we conclude that the central fringe is always bright in reflected system in the case of thin films.